Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Ukrainian voice on 11labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to 11labs.io and choose the side, click on the sidebar menu, go to the voices section and select the collections package. So once you're on the collections package or web page, it brings you to a page similar to this. Scroll down to your language sections and click on next. You find the Ukrainian voice pack. Click on it and you should be brought to a page similar to this where you have 5 voices. You can select a sample voice by clicking on each voice here and to hear their sample. So we can go ahead and click on the on Yaroslava to hear how the female sounds.
Розкрити свій потенціал.
Okay, good. So we can click on Anton just to hear how the
Привіт!
voice.
Це професійна голосова модель для дублювання та
So once we've selected a voice of choice, we can add it to my voices by clicking here. So on my voices section, we can also add or select a different voice if our initial choice is no longer what we want to go with.